My feeling is what you're going to begin to recognize, dear Libra, is that some of the patterns and thoughts that you have in your mind about how life is and how it should be and how it works isn't true for you. I love this because what you're doing is creating some autonomy and stepping away from old versions of yourself. And these are old versions of yourself that once lived according to certain rules and ways of life and being that were connected to perhaps, generations before you that were never truly who you were in the first place. But you get taught what you get taught, and you only know what you know until certain things occur in life, and you're forced to look at yourself at far deeper levels to recognize, hang on a minute, maybe that's not my belief. Maybe I don't have to live the way that I've been taught. Maybe that's not the way life needs to be for me. And so that's what's occurring for the Librans at the moment, which, by the way, is incredibly, incredibly a powerful time for you.